Here is why a lot of people think the answer is 9. They say 7 minus 4, which is 3, and you know there is multiplication sign right here. So we write that down. 7 minus 4, which is 3 as well. So 3 times 3, and that's obviously 9. But the problem is that this is absolutely wrong because according to the order of operation using board mass, and some people can use PEMDAS, but I like to use board mass anyway. So using board mass, and you can see that the first step was to clear the parentheses from here, and then the next step was to multiply because multiplication comes before subtraction. Okay, so what then is the correct answer? So let me go ahead and rewrite that equation. Okay, so that is 7 minus 4 bracket 7 minus 4. So the first step would be to clear the brackets, which is 7 minus 4. And 7 minus 4 gives us what? 3. And as usual, we have multiplication sign right here. So we have times, okay? And then we have our minus 4 and 7 right here. So what is the next step? So multiplication comes before subtraction. So instead of saying 7 minus 4, instead of saying 7 minus 4 right here, you rather say minus 4 times 3 because multiplication comes before subtraction. So 4 times 3 gives us 12. So this is minus 12, and you have 7 right here. So 7 minus 12, that gives us minus 5. So this is the final answer. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.